Hey, so here I am with the Redmi 14C. This one actually comes from European distribution. And first of all, the quick specification. So as you can see, this smartphone from Europe, it's actually support NFC, so we can pay with this device. I also have this version with 4 gigs of the storage, the RAM storage, and 128 gigs of ROM. There's almost 6.9 inches display, 50 megapixel AI dual camera. Right here we can find information about the fast charging, 80 watts, 18. The octa-core processor, for sure we can find here Google Maps, Google services. There's also HyperOS and 5160 mAh battery, so that's a lot. And we got actually information that this one actually comes without the charger, and here we can find recommendation about charger. So now let's go inside. Okay, so as you can see with this foil, we got the same information that we can find on the box. So now we are not gonna actually take a look on it because we already know that. There we go. And that's how it looks. Yeah, it looks beautiful, honestly. It looks amazing. I really enjoy it. And that's like super cheap smartphone, by the way. Here we can find this 50 megapixel camera, flashlight, and it will be probably the telephoto lens or ultra wide lens. Right here we can find the power button, the volume buttons. On the front we can even find this factory installed screen protector. There's the selfie camera. On the left side we can find SIM slot, but let's take a look if we can find here dual slot or, for example, memory card slot. Yeah, we can find here dual SIM card slot and even the memory card slot. That's great. At the bottom we can find USB-C port, microphone, speaker. There's also headphone jack, but there's no AR blaster. And yeah, that will be all. So now let's turn it on. And if you are wondering about some other accessories, so let's take a look. Right here we can find SIM tool, and inside we can find this charging cable. This is the USB-A to USB-C, quick start guide, warranty guide, and safety information. So that will be all for unboxing of Redmi 14C. Now I will also make some videos how to change some settings, how to take screenshots, and the best features. So if you are interested in this phone, then I can recommend you to watch my channel, and see you in the next videos.